A very good morning, class 3. We have already started reading the lesson Pinocchio in your life class, and we have done 2 pages. And I hope you have understood the lesson. It's a very long lesson, so you should be reading it by yourself at home. And it will take some time to finish this lesson because this is a lengthy lesson. And till now what has happened is that Pinocchio was made by his father Geppetto. He was very naughty. He was always making mischiefs. He was just dancing all the time, not even attending his school. He had gone to a puppet show where he showed lot of tricks to the people, and then he earned some 3 copper coins, and then he met some friends who there was a lame fox, a fox with one leg. Lame means a fox with one leg. And then there was a your blind cat. They played tricks on him. They told them that we would turn your 3 copper coins into gold coins, and you just place these under this magic tree. And the moment he placed the coins under the magic tree, and when he took it out from there, all 2 of his friends, they pounced on him, and they tried to take those 3 coins from the from Pinocchio. And then he met his fairy tale, his fairy auntie, his guardian fairy, and guardian fairy told her dog Ruffus to go and get Pinocchio to her palace, where she made him sit. And then when he asked Pinocchio that why he did not go to the school, he says that I was going, but then he just lied. इसने झूठ बोला. He just lied to the fairy, and then his nose became very long. And the more lies he was speaking, his nose was becoming longer and longer. And then the fairy told that if you want to be a real boy, you should be very sincere, you should be hardworking, you should be regular to the school, and honest and very generous. Now, after this, we will be reading the story. The next day, early in the morning, Pinocchio started for school. He went for school. As the days passed into weeks, even the teacher praised him, for they saw he was attentive, hardworking, and wide awake. He was always the first to come in the morning and the last to leave school when school was over. So he became a good boy, as fairy auntie told him to be a good boy. So he started going to school. He was honest, he was generous, he was regular to the school. He was the first one to reach the school and the last one to come out of the school. He was very attentive and he had become hardworking. Pinocchio's only fault was that he had too many friends. And what was his fault? That he had too many friends. And among these were many naughty friends. And some of the friends were very naughty, who did not care for studies or for success. Now, there are some friends who did not care for studies, and they did not bother for any success. The teacher warned him each day, and even the good fairy repeated to him many times. The teacher warned him that you should not have so many naughty friends, and she repeated many times, "Take care, Pinocchio. Those bad companions will sooner or later make you lose your love for study." The fairy told that these children, they are not having a good company. They are not good children. They are not good students. They are not good children. So they will ultimately, you will lose studies. You will not pay any attention to the studies, because and someday you will be just aimless in life, because you become as you keep a company. आप जैसे होते हो, आपके जैसे friends होते हो, आप वैसे ही बन जाते हो. So that is what the fairy told. "There is no such danger," answered the puppet. He says, "No, nothing will happen," shrugging his shoulders and pointing to his forehead as if to say, "I am too wise." He says, "Oh, I am too wise. Nothing will happen to me. No matter I have bad friends, but they cannot do any harm to me. वो मेरे को कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचा सकते." They tried to lure him in many ways, but without success. Now, these friends they try to lure him. Lure him means बहुत attract करने की कोशिश करते हैं, लेकिन उनको कोई success नहीं मिलती. Meanwhile, Pinocchio got the news that his father Geppetto had been swallowed by a terrible dogfish. Now that he had already left the house, he was not with his father Geppetto, so he got a very bad news that Geppetto had been swallowed. मतलब जो Geppetto है उसको एक बड़ी सी डॉग फिश ने swallow कर लिया, निगल लिया. He did not know where to look for the creature or what he looked like. Now, Pinocchio did not know that how that dogfish looked like and where he had swallowed his father. Sad and lonely, Pinocchio soon forgot all the promises he had made to the fairy and his hope of becoming a boy one day. Now that he wanted to become a real boy, but then he lost all the hope because he had lost his father, and now he thought that he would start finding his father. So he forgot all the promises which he gave it to the fairy, that he would be honest, wise, regular to the school, hardworking. He forgot all the promises. Lampwick, the laziest boy in the school and the biggest mischief maker, lured him into running away with him to the land of toys. Now what happened? Now that he had lost the father was swallowed by the dogfish. Lampwick is the name of a boy who was the laziest, the worst boy in the school, and the biggest mischief maker and very naughty child. He lured him means it attracted him into running away. He says, chalo, let's run away from the school to the land of toys. So he attracted Pinocchio that, come on, let's go to the land of toys and just leave the school. But as soon as Pinocchio stepped into the new world, he found that his ears had grown at least 10 full inches like those of a donkey. But the moment he stepped out of the school, his ears became like donkey's ears. Now this was all done by that fairy. In a little while he changed into a real donkey, and सच में वो सचमुच का donkey बन गया. He just changed into a donkey and began to bray, और वो bray ढेंचू करने लगा. He went in search of a mirror. He wanted to see a mirror but did not find any. Then he filled a basin with water and looked at himself. उसने एक बेसिन में पानी डाला and then looked at himself in the mirror. There he saw that he never could have wished to see. There he saw that, oh my God, he has become a donkey. He had a beautiful pair of donkey's ears now. Now that he has donkey's ears. He began to cry. वो जोर जोर से रोने लगा. He screamed to knock his head against the wall, and he started knocking his head against the wall. But the more he shrieked, the longer and the more hairy grew his ears. But the more he shrieked, जितना ज़्यादा वो shriek करता, उसके कान उसके बाल उसके कान और ज़्यादा बड़े होने शुरू हो गए. He realized it was a punishment for breaking the promise. Now that because he has broken the promise of fairy, so that was the punishment he got, that he turned into a donkey, and the more he cried, the more hair he started growing on his body, and hairy grew his ears, and his ears become more hairy. He kept looking for an escape from this place. Now he wanted to go from that place, from the toy place, from the toy land of toys. And just when he had reached the seashore, out of nowhere appeared a dolphin who claimed to have been sent by a blue fairy. Now suddenly when he reached the seashore, when he reached a shore, that means a bank, sea के किनारे पहुंचा, he saw a dolphin who said that blue fairy has sent me, who told him that he knew where the terrible dogfish was, and he knew, and she told that I know that where is that terrible dogfish who has swallowed Geppetto, and by finding it out he could rescue his father, which could then be his saving grace. He says, if I tell you where the dogfish is, you can at least find out where your dad is, where your father is, and that would be a saving grace. You will be able to save your father. Pinocchio accepted the ride from the dolphin to the nearest island. Now he took a ride on Dolphin's back, and he went to an island. Island is a place where there's a land surrounded by water, called the island of Busy. Just when they hit the water, the dolphin disappeared. जैसे ही उन्होंने पानी को हिट किया, डॉल्फिन एकदम चली गई. His donkey tail flew off and his own ears and feet came back. और उसकी डोंकी की टेल भी चली गई और उसके अपने जो फीट थे, रियल फीट, वापस आ गए. Okay. He struggled to swim for a very long time. Then he started swimming, and just when he couldn't swim any longer, he was swallowed by the terrible dogfish. Now he was not able to swim, so he was also swallowed by a terrible dogfish, which he realized was a great whale, and that was a big whale. "It's dark here," said a scared Pinocchio. No, it was very dark there. He says, "It's very dark," said a scared Pinocchio. Pinocchio ने डर के बोला. He kept floating deep into the whale's stomach. और वो stomach में float करता गया. "Who was there by the light?" called Pinocchio, his voice echoing. उसने जोर से बोला, किसकी लाइट है? Pinocchio, "Is that you?" asked a tired voice. तभी उसके फादर ने बोला, अरे पिनोकियो, तुम भी यहाँ पे हो? "Father, you are alive." अब जिंदा हो? Pinocchio shouted with joy. He was not scared anymore. Pinocchio helped Geppetto build a big raft that would hold both of them. Pinocchio helped Geppetto. Geppetto ने डॉगफिश के स्टमक के अंदर ही एक छोटी सी राफ्ट बनाई. हाँ, when the raft was finished, Pinocchio tickled the whale. हाँ, जब राफ्ट रेडी हो गई, राफ्ट was kind of a small ship, small raft, एक वुडन प्लैंक जिसके ऊपर कि वो दोनों बैठे, और पिनोकियो ने व्हेल को टिकल किया, गुदगुदारी करी, टिकल किया. एंड फादर ने बोला, होल्ड टाइट फादर. अब बोला, आप टाइट होल्ड करो. व्हेन ही स्नीजेस ही विल ब्लो अस आउट ऑफ एयर. ही सेज टिकल मतलब उसको जरा सा छेड़ा, और जैसे ही छेड़ा, व्हेल ने जैसे ही स्नीज किया, चीख मारी ज़ोर से, दोनों के दोनों बाहर, उस चीख से बाहर उसके मुंह से निकल के आ गए. एंड एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपन, cried, when he sneezes he'll blow us out of his. जब भी the whale will sneeze, we will blow out, we'll just come out of here, cried Pinocchio. And that's exactly what happened. और फिर वही हुआ. Home at last, Geppetto tucked Pinocchio into his bed. Home at last. ने बोला, अरे we have reached the home. Pinocchio, today you were brave, honest and generous, said Geppetto. You are my son and I love you. Geppetto said, you are my real son. You have actually helped me out of the dogfish by giving me the idea of making a raft, and when you tickled it, she just sneezed and we just came out of it. You are my real son. I really love you. Pinocchio remembered what the blue fairy had told him. Father, now that I have proven myself, I am waiting for something to happen, whispered he as he drifted off to sleep. The next morning, Pinocchio came running down the steps, jumping and waving his arms. He ran to Geppetto, shouting, look, father, I am a real boy. Because the fairy told that once you become honest, when you help your father, once you do good work, you will become a real boy. Otherwise, you'll remain a Pinocchio. And if you lie, the punishment was that once she turned him into a donkey, and another time she turned the Pinocchio's nose, and Pinocchio's nose started becoming longer. So all this was the punishment given by the fairy. Okay, children? So what you have to do is, it's a very long lesson and it's a very interesting story. So please read this lesson at least 3 to 4 times. And now that you don't have a live class, but maybe some evening I will write it down and I will take an evening class if I get time. Otherwise, on Monday we will be doing through videos all those difficult words and make sentences and question answers, but it will take little time. So please read this lesson. I want you to read, all of you to read the lesson. Maybe I'll take a live class any one of the days when I'm free, even in the evening, and I will like everybody to read this lesson in front of me, maybe during the live class. Okay, children? Thank you and have a nice day. Read this last lesson of Pinocchio, which is the last lesson of your English syllabus, which will be coming in your exam. There are 3 lessons which are coming: Pinocchio, the world of ants, and which is in third lesson, it is Zia and the Chief. And the poem will be The Land of Counterpane and Don't Give Up. So I'll be taking Don't Give Up also little later on, after this poem, after this chapter, and that finishes our course. And then we'll be doing the revision worksheets from the book Alpha. Okay, children? Thank you and have a nice day.